What if the way we think about success and mastery is all wrong? We're often told that specialization, starting early, practicing relentlessly, and sticking to one thing is the key to greatness. But what if the real secret lies in doing the opposite? David Epstein's Range, Why Generalists Triumph in a Specialized World, argues that being a generalist, exploring widely, and embracing curiosity can lead not only to success, but a more fulfilling life. Today I'll unpack some of the book's most compelling ideas and show you why breadth might be the edge you need. To understand Range, we need to talk about the difference between kind and wicked learning environments. Kind environments are predictable, structured, and consistent. Think of chess or golf, clear rules, immediate feedback, and patterns that repeat themselves over time. Chess players, for instance, excel by using something called chunking, a process where they memorize patterns of pieces and positions. It's incredibly effective. Put a typical chess scenario in front of a grandmaster, for example, and they'll recall it with precision. But here's the catch. If you show the same chess player a board arranged in a way that would never occur in a real game, their ability to memorize it crumbles. This highlights a key limitation of kind environments. They reward repetition and refinement, but don't prepare you for novelty. In contrast, wicked environments are messy and unpredictable. Rules are unclear, feedback is delayed or unreliable, and patterns are rare or non-existent. These are the kinds of challenges we face in the real world, problems with no obvious solution where creativity and adaptability are essential. Here, generalists thrive because they've spent their lives sampling broadly, learning to think on their feet, and applying ideas from one domain to another. Epstein uses two powerful metaphors to bring these ideas to life: birds and frogs, and foxes and hedgehogs. In the birds and frogs analogy, birds represent generalists, soaring high and taking in the big picture. Frogs, on the other hand, are specialists, focused on the details of their specific domain. While frogs thrive in stable, kind environments where fine-tuned precision matters, birds excel in wicked environments where adaptability and a broader perspective are key. The foxes and hedgehogs metaphor dives deeper into cognitive approaches. Hedgehogs are like frogs in their thinking, focused on one grand theory or area of expertise, sometimes to the point of inflexibility. Foxes, like birds, draw from a wide range of knowledge, constantly adjusting their views and seeking new perspectives. Research shows that foxes are better at navigating complexity and making accurate predictions because they're open-minded and adaptable. Together, these metaphors reveal something profound. While depth is useful in the short term or in predictable settings, breadth equips us to solve complex problems and thrive in the long run. So what makes someone a bird or a fox? At the heart of it is curiosity. Generalists are naturally curious. They want to explore, experiment, and connect seemingly unrelated ideas. This curiosity drives them to embrace desirable difficulties, those frustrating but ultimately rewarding learning processes that lead to deeper understanding and long-term retention. Take analogical thinking, for example, the ability to see connections across domains. Epstein highlights historical figures like Kepler, who drew on concepts from music and geometry to uncover the laws of planetary motion. It's a skill born out of curiosity, and it's often the key to groundbreaking innovation. Curiosity also encourages what Epstein calls flirting with your possible selves. Instead of locking yourself into a single path, you explore different activities, environments, and interests. This experimentation helps you discover who you are and what you're good at, and what truly excites you. The other thing is that specializing early and doubling down locks you into a pathway that doesn't take into account that who you are as a teenager, for example, could be very different in priorities and interests from someone in their 30s or 40s even. Epstein also challenges the modern obsession with grit, especially when it's combined with early specialization. While persistence and hard work are important, he warns that grit without direction can lead to wasted effort. He shares the story of Vincent van Gogh, who only found his artistic voice after years of exploring different careers. It's a reminder that quitting the wrong pursuit isn't failure, it's a step towards finding what truly fits. Early specialization, while tempting, has its risks too. Specialists may achieve short-term success, but they're more prone to burnout and career dissatisfaction later in life. Generalists, on the other hand, are more likely to find match quality, the alignment between their passions, skills, and work. They're also better prepared to adapt when life throws unexpected challenges their way. Another fascinating concept in range is the outsider advantage. Specialists often miss opportunities because they're too focused on their niche, while generalists bring fresh perspectives. Epstein shares the story of Gunpei Yokoi, the creator of Nintendo Game Boy, who used older, withered technology in innovative ways. This kind of lateral thinking, reimagining familiar tools in new contexts, often lead to breakthroughs that specialists overlook. Additionally, he covers several examples where domain experts struggled with a highly complex issue in industry, but it ends up being solved by outsiders due to their fresh insights and broader perspective. Ultimately, range isn't just about career paths or academic success, it's about how we approach life in general. It challenges the idea that early specialization is the only way to achieve greatness and reminds us of the value of curiosity, experimentation, and adaptability. Whether you're learning a new skill, navigating your career, or even raising a child, embracing breadth can unlock creativity, resilience, and fulfillment. David Epstein's range is packed with insights that will make you rethink how you learn, work, and grow. It's a celebration of curiosity and a reminder that life is full of wicked challenges that demand broad, flexible thinking. I definitely highly recommend you checking it out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe, or even feel free to leave a comment down below. I'd definitely be very interested in hearing your own book recommendations, or even just suggestions in general. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.